Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is King of the Road, a three-chord song written by the American country singer Roger Miller, who first recorded it in November of 1964. The lyrics tell of the day-to life of a current travelling hobo who, despite having little money, a man of means by no means, revels in his freedom, describing himself humorously as cynically as King of the Road. He was Mills' fifth singer. He won 5 Grammy Awards in 1966. Trailer for sale or rent, room to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. Ain't got no cigarettes, but 2 hours of pushing broom buys a 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means a king of the road. 3rd Boxcar midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. Old worn out suits and shoes. I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies I have found. Short but not too big around. I'm a man of means, by no means a king of the road. I know every engineer in every train, all of the children and all of their names, every handout in every town, and every lock that ain't locked when no one's around to sing. Trailer for sale or rent, room to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. Ain't got no cigarettes, but 2 hours of pushing broom buys a 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means a king of the road. King of the road. King of the road. Hi, well, I said this has got 3 chords. It's actually 4 chords if you count C and C7, 2 separate chords. I suppose you should do. It's basically 3 chords. It's a C chord, an F chord, a G chord, and back to a C. And that's more or less the pattern the whole way through. Trailer for sale or rent, G. And it's the same more or less all the way through, except for the last line where you go to that C7. 4-bedroom. I'm a man. You could stay on the C chord there. Man of F, G7, King of the Road. And it's the same even in this middle section. I know every engineer adding F, G7, C, all the names in every town and every lock that ain't locked when it's around. Then you're back again on the C chord, and it's the same for the last verse. Well, I hope you found that interesting and helpful. It's a great song to sing and not too difficult to play the chords, so I hope you'll have a go at it. But whatever you do and however you do it, have fun.